If you are one of those people who have ever wished that there should be no negative emotions in our life, if you have ever wished for there to not be any kind of sadness or anxiousness or anger in your life, today's video is for you. Let's see what we have in store, but before that, we are going to definitely talk about this, but before that, I have somebody really interesting that I want you to meet. Her name is Pollyanna and she's from an alternate planet called Pozziglobe. Let's see what she has in store for us. Let's go. So let's meet Pollyanna. Hi Pollyanna, thanks so much for being here. Hi Ishwari, thank you so much for inviting me on planet Earth. It's so nice to be here. So tell me something about yourself. Tell the viewers what's life like on Pozziglobe. Well, life on Pozziglobe is amazing. So it's like we never have felt negative emotions in our entire life, and how great is that, isn't it? Don't you think so, Ishwari? Really? So you have never ever felt a single negative emotion in your entire life? No, I have never ever felt any kind of negative emotions. In fact, I just found out the concept of negative emotions when you told me right now. So then what do you do? Like, what is the routine like? What is life like on Pozziglobe? Well, life on Pozziglobe is pretty chill, and we are all there supporting each other all day, every day, and we just sit around, we engage in our hobbies, and we do whatever that we want to do because there are no deadlines, there is no competition. I mean, all of us, we just have this kind of system where all of us get a minimum wage and all of us get money if we want to, and since people are so happy over there, they give away money just like that. So we just have to put up charities and we have to put up banners and we get whatever that we need. So tell me something, Pollyanna. People on Earth right now are going through a big pandemic that is going on. So the coronavirus has been creating havoc for the last 6 months, and we have been on a lockdown for the last 3 months. And it has led to a lot of negative emotions in the people cohabiting on Earth. So tell me, if a situation something like this were to happen on Pozziglobe, how would the people deal with it? How would the people react to it? What do you think? Oh my god! Are you serious? I don't know what we would do in such a situation. I just have no idea. No, so I mean, what would you feel in that situation? What would you do? Are you okay? Because you're just looking really creepy right now. Are you okay, Pollyanna? I'm sorry, this is all that I know. I'm sorry, this is all that I have been taught on Pozziglobe. To be happy, to feel good, even whatever the situation is. Okay, so I hope that conversation was interesting, but it also made you think a bit. So tell me, did you find Pollyanna's behavior a bit strange? Did you at any point in that conversation found yourself thinking, is that really how I want life to be? So today's video is going to be about the importance of negative emotions. I asked you at the beginning of the video if you have ever wished for there to be a world without any negative emotions, and that's why if you still believe that, stay tuned for the video as we are going to be exploring why exactly we need negative emotions. What is the importance of negative emotions? So first things first, the first and foremost reason why we need negative emotions is for survival. If you were to rewind your clock back a couple of hundreds of thousands of years ago, and if you were to drop at that exact precise moment when we were becoming humans from apes, you would find yourself in dire need of negative emotions. Why, you ask? Because at that time the threats that were there, the threats that we had to face as a civilization were really life or death. Any infection, any animal, any kind of threat was really a matter that if you do something, you survive or you perish. And in such situations, it is incredibly important to have a negative emotion, because if you think about it, if we did not feel fear at that point of time, if we did not feel threatened from whatever that the threatening situation was, we would not be here today. We would not have crossed so many years and centuries and be at the species level that we are. So probably the reason why the human species has survived against all odds is because of our negative emotions. And now this, while the intensity of our threats have reduced a great deal now, I would still say that we still require negative emotions for our survival. So take a simple example of crossing the road. So let's say that you are at one end of a busy street and there are vehicles coming in full force from both directions, and you have to cross the road. Now if you don't feel any kind of negative emotion, if you are like casually ki haan mar gaye to mar gaye, if you are so casual, you most likely will end up dead, because you won't have the necessary alertness, or you won't take the care of crossing the road only when there are no vehicles charging towards you. So even a simple task of crossing the road would become a reason for our life to end had we not had negative emotions. If I have to give another example, every student who is preparing for his or her exams is a student who is going through negative emotions of concern that, oh, I need to prepare well, I need to do well in this exam, otherwise so and so are the consequences that I will be facing. Had the student not felt this, probably nobody would have the motivation to keep studying, isn't it? To do well, nobody would have that urge or that drive to perform well. So the very first reason that I want you guys to understand is that negative emotions are crucial for our survival, because negative emotions are nothing but signals that our body is giving us that, hey, something is not right, do something to rectify that. And that gets me to the second reason why negative emotions are important, and that is because we know that something is wrong or something is missing, we take action to change it. As a civilization, we are constantly coming up with newer amenities, higher technologies to reduce the discomfort. So whoever who is behind these inventions of these high technology amenities is thinking about reducing the discomfort. And if the notion of the discomfort would not be there in the first place, we would never have felt the need to keep coming up with better discoveries, isn't it? So if there were no negative emotions, our society would have transgressed into a state of stagnation, where there is just no desire to be better, there is no desire to do anything different. जो चल रहा है वैसे ही चलने दो, ये attitude would have settled in all of us. And that is the number 2 reason why negative emotions are so crucial. Because they don't let us get stagnated, they don't let us get stuck in a one particular situation or with a particular kind of discovery or anything. It can be literally something as small as me trying to exercise because I have the idea that okay, my health is not good and I want to improve that, to something as big as discoveries and inventions and all of that. So that was the second reason. Moving on to the third reason why negative emotions are important. As we are growing up, unfortunately, we have always been taught that negative emotions are bad and negative emotions are something that you need to avoid at all costs, and only positive emotions are good. For some reason, this is the message that most of us receive as children, and that really baffles me, because if you had to think of a food or a cuisine that only had sweet flavors, won't you get bored after a point? Won't you want some kind of spice into that food? So on similar lines, it's so easy for us to accept that khane mein there are going to be all different types of tastes, but the same we can't accept when it comes to emotions. We all have this irrational demand that, oh, my life should only have positive emotions. I should not have to face any kind of negativity in my whole life. And what this does is it creates a notion of false positivity or a forced optimism. You know कि नहीं मतलब in any situation, no matter what, I shouldn't feel negative. So my options are going in complete denial or completely breaking down. So that's why the third point why negative emotions are important is to create a meaning in our life, to emphasize on a particular meaning and to increase the value of the experiences that we are going through. So researchers have studied this extensively. After many studies that were done over a period of time on people, it was found that in fact accepting your negative emotions and making your way through them or dealing with them actually promotes happiness, actually increased the person's life satisfaction and the happiness quotient of their life. So isn't it something really, something worth considering, really something worth pondering over, कि if negative emotions were that bad, how is accepting them increasing my happiness? This is a question that I would want all of the viewers watching this video to ponder upon. So the third and the very, very important reason why negative emotions are important is because they create a sense of meaning and they keep making us better individuals. They keep promoting growth and change in us. And also that brings me to the fourth reason why negative emotions are important is simply because going through negative emotions make us value the positive emotions more, don't they? So a very simple example for this could be the night sky. If there was no darkness in the sky, we wouldn't be able to see the stars twinkling in them. If the sky was a plain white canvas, the stars would be lost in that. Similarly, if our life was just all good, all positive instances only, somewhere down the line we would lose the value of them. Somewhere down the line we would stop feeling as happy when those happy situations happened. So it would actually reduce our positive emotions. Isn't this worth considering? So yeah, negative emotions are definitely difficult to go through, but for today's video I would like to conclude it with this, that negative emotions are definitely a crucial part of our existence, not only because they aid survival but because they promote happiness. So if I had to rate survival is like a ground thing, that yes, it's the most basic thing, but if you're just surviving and if you're not happy, then there's not much value to that survival either. But negative emotions, that's why, not only promote survival but they also at a higher level promote happiness. So today a homework that I would want all of you to do is think about a time when a negative emotion had helped you, rectify a situation, or once that negative emotion had passed, you were better able to kind of appreciate the positive emotions that followed. That's it for today. Signing off. This is your talking therapist, Ishwari Marathe, and I hope that you keep coming back to my channel for more videos. Subscribe if you are new and share this video with everybody who you know want negative emotions to disappear from their lives. I'll see everybody next time. Bye.